You're firing up the grill this Sunday to celebrate Father's Day. You've come to the right place here on Morning Live. Ted Reeder, the godfather of the grill, is with us, and we're cooking some turkey.
Oh yeah, we're making some tropical turkey kebabs.
Okay.
Nice and easy, simple to do. It's not that complicated, and that's the things that I like. You know, for Father's Day, I end up always having to do the cooking at home. You know, my children are like, why should we cook? We have you.
The godfather of the grill. You do it.
So I do it. I'm like, I just want a cheeseburger. Can we go out? But when it comes down to it, you know, it doesn't always have to be a steak. It doesn't always have to be a burger.
Yeah.
And turkey is a great meat and great protein to use. So on Ontario turkey, well, that's what we've got. So we've made kebabs, and we started with a bone-in, skin-on turkey breast.
Yeah. Can we get a bigger breast here, Ted?
Now, you want them nice and
These are
plump,
huge.
and because they're going to contain a little bit more moisture.
Yes, okay.
And the key is you don't want to overcook your turkey.
Right.
All right, 165 internal temperature is what you need to have. This is a boneless, skinless breast, and then we took that and we cut it into nice big chunks. And we marinated it in dark rum, a little bit of jerk seasoning, a touch of oil, put it all together.
Nice.
And made the kebabs, put some onions on the end. You could put peppers on the end if you'd like, or just go 100% meat, and then do your vegetable kebabs as a separate. Okay. That way they both cook at different times. So the turkey takes a little bit longer to cook than the vegetables. So
good point.
Start the turkey, then start the veg kebabs, and at the end it all comes together nice and easy.
Love that.
For convenience, we have teriyaki turkey steaks and teriyaki kebabs from our friends at Haters, and they're available at Farm Boy. Nice and convenient if you don't want to get into it yourself. But over here at the grill, well,
wow,
this is the area that I like.
It smells amazing.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. Well, I hope so. If we're not getting it down now. But so we have different sizes. Like some kebabs we've done on bamboo skewers.
Okay.
So make sure you soak your skewers before you use them. And then we've done some on metal skewers, and you can do little skewers or big skewers. The bigger the skewer, the easier to cook, because you're only going to cook and turn one or two items.
Do you have a preference between metal and?
I like the metal ones.
Okay.
Right? They're kind of fun, and they look different, but disposable and easy. But sometimes with bamboo, it splinters, so you have to be very careful of that. Try and buy hardwood, maple hardwood skewers. Those things are usually the best.
Great tip.
And then we've taken some pineapple. We've sliced it, we've soaked it in a bit of rum, and we've thrown it on the grill and cooked it. We've taken a bit of it and we've added into our barbecue sauce.
Oh, wow.
So it has the rum and a little bit of heat in there, barbecue sauce, and then chopped up pieces of pineapple.
So you get some sweet and some savory and a little bit of heat?
And all together, all in one.
That's
and
awesome.
so you put it in, and just a nice little baste. Then you want to have lots of the sauce on the side for extra dunking.
Yeah. Now, Ted, are you basting at the end? So you're grilling and then basting?
Grilling, then basting. You don't want to do it too early, because the sugars in the barbecue sauces are going to caramelize, and then you're going to burn.
Yeah.
And so it's best to even take it once you are almost a temp, 5 minutes before it's going to be done,
Right.
is then give it a baste and then pop it to the top shelf and close the lid. So let's have I'm going to take this little turkey steak.
Okay.
And I'll take this.
Wow, that looks delicious.
This kebab. All right, so you get, just like that.
The colors are amazing too. You get some browns, you get the reddish of the onion.
And always, when it's on the grill, just look at your temp and watch and make sure that you're hitting that 165.
Food safety is important.
And it comes up so that it's not pink on the inside. So a digital thermometer, good thing to have.
Absolutely.
All right.
We got about 40 seconds.
40 seconds.
Yeah.
See, look at this. There you go. Nice, moist and juicy. And look at this turkey steak, teriyaki turkey steak from friends at Haters, right?
That looks amazing. And
Nice
turkey
and
doesn't
tasty.
just have to be for the holidays, right?
No, not at all.
I'll do
Turkey's
this.
any day of the
Cheers.
week.
Boom.
Turkey time. It'd be tasty.
Awesome for Father's Day. Of course, the holidays, Easter, Christmas, New Year's, but this could be applied to any day of the week.
Monday through Sunday.
Easy to cook. The sauce is amazing too.
And for recipes, hit OntarioTurkey.ca. They're there, or my website, tedreeder.com.
Thanks for watching Morning Live. More on chch.com/morninglive.